Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Google Maps access failed. To know how to fix or how to solve access failed on Google Maps, you will click on settings. In this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Google Maps like this, and you can click. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.